mbui mar Luo English Dictionary to kawuono en tarik 2 dweno mar 7 e higa mar 2022. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from the Luo English Dictionary desk. This is Luo English Dictionary and we are now live. Today is the 2nd of July 2022 and welcome to this edition. I'm just checking whether you're live. If you're live, please check. Give me a thumbs up out there. If you can hear me, please just write in the chat that you can hear me. And I will appreciate. If you're live, check. Good, I can see that we're live, so this is nice. In today's edition, we want to talk about lesson 23, which is help with pronunciation, or kony kuom luongo wach. What do I watch? Kony kuom luongo wach. And the way I do my videos is that I actually edit as you watch. So that way you are able to see what I'm talking about. You're also able to see what I am typing. So Chuck Rock. William, do you like studying Luo? William. Sorry, I bought this gadget here and now I cannot see my screen. Okay, there you go. William. Be ihero somo dholuo. William. Be ihero somo dholuo. Ahero somo dholuo. Anyalo somo maber. Loso ema pod chanda. Ahero somo dholuo. Anyalo somo maler. Loso ema pod chanda. Thank you so much for liking the stream. Nang abo. As usual, thank you so much. You're always supporting us. And Michael Grunwald. Thank you so much for liking the stream, Michael, and for supporting us. All right. It's not that bad. If you talk to your Luo friends every day, you learn quickly. Ok otek ahinya. Ka iloso kod osiepeni ma joluo, to ibiro puonjori mapiyo. So you'll notice that lessons Felix Bet, asante sana, erokamano, you're saying erokamano. Thank you so much, Felix. You'll notice that as we go, the sentences will become longer. So they are longer than we had been doing. We've been doing very short sentences, but I'm going to make them longer now. Be anyalo penji penjo. Can I ask you a question? Be anyalo penji penjo. A. En ang'o ma idwaro ng'eyo? En ang'o ma idwaro ng'eyo? An kod buga ma owuok. An kod buga ma owuok e klas. Wach ni iwache nade. An kod buga mo owuok e klas. Wach ni iwache nade. Dhawo. Dhawo. Mos. Ok awinjo. Onyiso nang'o. Ok awinjo. Onyiso nang'o. En gima kawo dhano ariyo to gimanore. Thank you, Michael. Oh, Michael says, hi and you're welcome. I can't always follow live as right now too, but I'm saving it for later and my name, just pronounce it Swahili like or in English transcription of Grunwald. But stick to Michael, makes it easier. Thank you, Michael. And I think you've also talked about this earlier, like we had this again earlier before. Thank you so much. And thank you. That's why I always do the lives. I don't, sometimes I do them at 10 o'clock. Sometimes I do at 11 o'clock, but I try to do them as frequent as I can. But also I'm doing short videos. We shall start posting short videos because now I'm on summer break and I'll do short videos and post. So that I hope that will help most of us. And I think that's it. Thank you so very much, Michael. I'll stick to Michael for sure. Good. En gima kao dhano ariyo to gimanore. Be iwinjo? Aparo ni awinjo. Aparo. And my autocorrect also keeps doing its own thing. Ni awinjo. Aparo ni awinjo. Be inyalo wacho, nuoyo wachno kendo. Be inyalo nuoyo wachno kendo. Be inyalo nuoyo wachno kendo. Dhawo. 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 Be awache kare. Be awache kare. Did I pronounce it correctly? Oh, Felix says, I can't see the English words. Please make it clearer. Yeah, our English words has been giving us problems. That's the second person's talking about it. And the point about the English words is that I want them to be smaller so that someone can know what the Luo word is. But it's fine. I thought, let me know if this is fine. This is 25. So let me know if that's fine. And thank you. I see. I think it will help much. And by the way, your new way of showing the English source and then type it in Luo is quite perfect to comprehend, I think. But for now, I must leave again. Need to get some provisions before shops will close. Thank you, Michael. And you have a great one. Thank you for supporting us. And we always are glad to see you here. And nice to have chatted with you. Bye-bye. And Felix, ebu niambie kama hiyo imeingia. Felix, can you tell me whether this is good enough? Dhawo be awache kare. Then I say, Oopsie. Where are we? So now I have to put all this at 25. That's right. That's very good. Mano kare. Mano ber ahinya. Erokamano. To wach ni ma iwacho nade? Ma iwacho nade? To wach ni ma iwacho nade? Akirikiki. 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 Erokamano ahinya. In japuonj maber. Erokamano ahinya. In japuonj maber. Erokamano. Giko. Good. So let me go back to lesson 23 from the beginning, and then we can just go through it one by one. And that way we shall be able to. Thank you, Felix. Felix says now I can see. I think I'll use 25 because 22 is too small. Thank you, Felix. Kony kuom luongo wach. Chakruok. Kony kuom luongo wach. Chakruok. William, be ihero somo dholuo? Ahero somo dholuo. Anyalo somo maler. Loso ema pod chanda. Ahero somo dholuo. Anyalo somo maler. Loso ema pod chanda. Ok tek ahinya. Ka iloso kod osiepe ni ma joluo, to ibiro puonjori mapiyo. Ok otek ahinya. Ka iloso kod osiepeni ma joluo, to ibiro puonjori mapiyo. Be anyalo penji penjo? Be anyalo penji penjo? En ang'o ma idwaro ng'eyo? En ang'o ma idwaro ng'eyo? An kod buga ma owuok e kilas. Wachni iwache nade? An kod buga ma owuok e kilas. Wachni iwache nade? Dhawo. Dhawo. Mos ok awinjo. Onyiso nang'o? Mos. Ok awinjo. Onyiso nang'o? Onyiso nang'o? En gima kawo dhano ariyo to gimanore. En gima kawo dhano ariyo to gimanore. Be iwinjo? Aparo ni awinjo. Aparo ni awinjo. Be inyalo nuoyo wachno kendo? Be inyalo nuoyo wachno kendo? Dhawo. Dhawo. Be awache kare? Be awache kare? Mano kare. Mano ber ahinya. Erokamano. To wachni ma iwacho nade. Mano ber ahinya. To wachni ma iwacho nade. Akirikiki. Akirikiki. Erokamano ahinya. In japuonj maber. Erokamano ahinya. In japuonj maber. Erokamano. Giko. So that's it. That is lesson number 23. Let's move on to lesson number 24 and see if it's something that we can talk about. No, I didn't do lesson 24. So we shall stop here. And then I have to pull up lesson number 24 from the YouTube video that I've been using. And then we shall be able to work with it. So if you have questions, please, you can give me questions right now. As this is the end of today's lesson. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. I hope to see you guys tomorrow when we shall be doing some more. Now, as usual, I'm looking for subscribers. As at right now, we are only... Oh, someone just unsubscribed. We are at 6,719 in YouTube. So please subscribe to our channel so that we get to 6,000, at least 10,000. This is our current live subscriber count. And we are at 6,719. Please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel so that we can get to 10,000 subscribers. The other thing is in our YouTube channel, if you get to YouTube, you'll be able to see us in, if you get to YouTube, Luo English Dictionary, just search for Luo English Dictionary. And then if you get to our channel, there is a join the channel button. That's join channel. Now, the reason I'm promoting this is so that we can get some resources so that we can be able to make better videos. And there are so far, there are 4 major joining levels. There is bronze, there's silver, there's gold, and platinum. And the thing is, it's not like there's anything special about them, but it's just like where you feel you can, if you feel you can contribute $2 a month, that's about 200 Kenya shillings, then you join the bronze. If not, you join the silver. If not, you join the gold, and the gold is $9.99. And if not, you join the platinum, and the platinum is $24.99 a month. That's 2,500 shillings. So this money will help us to support the channel by either producing videos, editing, making better videos, and not doing the live streams, but editing videos and stuff like that. So if you want to, please consider joining us. But more so, please consider subscribing, because we want people to subscribe to the channel. So this is the most important part right now. Please consider subscribing. Tell your friends to subscribe, and it will always move. This is a live count, so it will keep moving either up or down depending on what happens. So with those many remarks, there you go. Someone just subscribed. That's 6,720. Thank you so much. Whoever you are, thank you so much. Now that's what happens if you subscribe. So please consider subscribing. Please consider subscribing. And also, if you have a question, this is the time that you can post the questions on the chat box, because the chat box will be able to see them on the screen. Okay. Please consider subscribing, ladies and gentlemen. And I will end the stream in the next 20 seconds. Thank you so much for always supporting the channel. And we are planning on a video today. We shall do a video today, like with my, you remember how we used to do a video with my daughter? The video is on moods, the moods. So if you want to watch the video, it will be out in maybe tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, tomorrow evening, depending on where you are. And the script is out. This is a script right here. See the script right there? Boom. The script is out. So all we need to do is just once you have, we shall roll out the video tomorrow. Tomorrow we shall do the video today, edit at night, and then tomorrow we shall put it up there. I'm hoping that we shall be, because we are on a small holiday, summer break, I'll be consistent in giving videos. I'm not sure. I cannot promise. So that is what's happening. Meanwhile, subscribers, ebu ambia watu wako, share this with your friends so that tell them to subscribe. We are looking for subscribers, and we are looking at 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are in July, and July na tujafika hata nini. We need how many? 280? Wait, we need 3,280. Aki woye. Shall we manage? We need 3,280. Ndio tufike 3280 plus 6720. Yeah. 3,280 subscribers. Now, where will we get these people? So, guys, ebu mu subscribe. We don't want to joke now. Subscribe. If you're on Facebook, please roll back into YouTube and subscribe. I know in Facebook we are over 10,000 followers, but we also need to convert them into YouTube. Alrighty, so it's time to leave, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.